All right, 30 seconds to go. Welcome to the On Time On Target play of the day. We have 4 screens in front of you. We have a left screen, which is the market itself. Futures are up a little bit. We have 2 longs. We have GameStop long on the left screen. The middle screen here is Jumia, which is long as well. And then we have Sorrento Therapeutics that is off to the right. Short. You can see there's the opening bell. Market just up a bit. Again, GameStop up 6.5%. Jumia up 5%. It was up higher earlier. Obviously, you can see the congestion there. And then already we have Sorrento down more than 10%. So it doesn't really meet our trading model, but we will keep an eye on it. And we have some other names to kind of flip to and check out as well. 1068 to the downside, and we are going to need a 20-cent stop if that hits for the 1068. We're going to move that higher if we can. Again, looking at Sorrento short. Just waiting on it. GameStop selling off, so not really interested in that. Jumia has already taken off, so don't like our longs there. And look at GameStop selling off. Okay, get ready. 1070 for our short in SRNE. Again, plus 3R in the week already because AMC short worked out yesterday towards the end of the day. So I'm more inclined to be more aggressive. So 1070 with a 16-cent stop. There it is. We are in the trade once it hit it. So we'll get the arrow drawn in here. There's our entry point. Come on. There's your arrow down because we're taking it short. 1087, so we're just going to put it at 86, even though it's really 87. Hopefully it doesn't come into play because it's selling off so hard. So 1070, 36. Daggone it. 36, so we're at the 2R point. It's not good when I can't do math in the morning. So that's a 2R point, and again, I have exactly 1019 written down as our 3R point. 1020 works if you have your stop set there. So go ahead and get your stuff set up so it does knock you out of the trade if it hits down at 1019 is what we're looking at. So it did back up. This is normal profit taking during a trade. So there's a bunch of people that have already had their stop set down here, probably looking for like a 2R type day. When those folks cover their shorts, that's what takes it up to a new level. So backing it up there, not worried at all. It's here at 1. So no issue. So what you tend to see in a short is that it will back up for a while and then continue a slow sell off. So I'm happy with where our stops are set. You can come down a penny if you want to 1085. That would change the R math to 16. I'm just going to leave it where it is because I believe in it. And I think we could, we said it has to go all the way down to 1019. We'll touch 1030 at the low. So let's just let this thing cook all day. Set your stops. Again, up here, set your negative stop. If you want to set it at even, I never have any problem with that. I don't do that myself. But I like to set it above the high of the day. So leave the upper stop here at 1086. If it hits that, we lose an R. Otherwise, we'll check back in 5 minutes prior to the close out the trade, and then see where we are, and I will update you tomorrow morning. So with that, that's all I have for today. Sorry for the technical difficulties I had, and we will check back with you on tomorrow. Talk to you soon. Hey everybody, just checking back in to close out this trade. So I left you about 20 minutes ago when the trade was down around this area. Again, we're on the right-hand side looking at SRNE. Somewhere in here is when I went offline with y'all. I said, hold the rest of the day, keep your stopping up here, keep it down at 1019 as well. And basically we talked about how this was just profit taking, not to worry about it. And basically a steady sell off from here. I would be all out of the trade. I wouldn't necessarily hold more into this trade. I think that would be greedy. If you bought, say, 300 shares and you wanted to hold 100 shares, simply you need to redo your math, right? So you'd need to reset your stop here for the last 100 shares and then redo your math for basically letting it ride for the rest of the day. So 1019, so 1002, nope. Math is still out. Yeah, 1002 down here at the bottom of the screen. That would be your 4R point. So I don't know. Maybe it hits it, maybe it doesn't. But I wouldn't be all that greedy with it, if you will. But again, we looked at longs into the market. We looked, couldn't get either of them to set up there. We did look at Sorrento short and took it, and really pretty easy. Again, after that initial pop, went right down to 1R, hung between 1 and 2 Rs, and then obviously went right down and hit our price target. So overall, pretty clean trade of the day. Thanks for checking us out. That's 2 days in a row. Yesterday was AMC short for 3R. Today, Sorrento short for 3R, and we'll see what tomorrow holds. Thanks for stopping by.